kitchen, where we're going to define cooking in a new sense. So we call it Cooking Redefined, from a passion to the plate. So what we're making next is, we have a recipe using vermicelli. Yes, sevaya. So we normally see vermicelli happening in Indian cooking in a sweet form. And today we're going to make a vermicelli recipe in a slightly twisted version in a savory form. So vermicelli, sevaya. So you're going to heat our pan first. And you're going to just lightly roast the vermicelli in about 1 teaspoon of oil. So that's the vermicelli we're using here. This is the unroasted version of vermicelli, the very fine one. Okay, and we're going to roast this lightly in this non-stick pan with 1 teaspoon of oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. The flame is going to be on medium. We don't want to basically burn the vermicelli, but just lightly give it a toasted taste at the end of it. So we're just going to have it like 2 shades darker than what it's supposed to be right now. So this recipe has been inspired by a Filipino recipe basically, which is called as pancit, and that is made by using rice noodles. So as you can see here, the vermicelli has started changing light color and it's getting a bit on the brownish tone. And that's where we're going to stop, and we're going to remove the vermicelli out of this pan and come back in a few seconds to start the recipe ahead. With the vermicelli, and after roasting it looks like this. Moving on with the recipe, our twist today is going to use Chinese ingredients with vermicelli. And what else do we require? So we have some chopped garlic, we have spring onions which we have sliced, we have some green capsicum, carrots and cabbage cut into small pieces, and we have a few spring onion greens for our garnishing. Besides these things, we're also going to be using salt, pepper, a bit of oil, some soya sauce, chili sauce, white vinegar, some lime, and of course water. So starting with the recipe, let's heat the oil first. So we require 1 teaspoon of oil again. Into the oil we're going to add some chopped garlic. And a few spring onions. And give it a light stir. So yes, we're making a Chinese style vermicelli, which has been inspired by a Filipino recipe, which is called pancit. So during these lockdown times, we have to experiment and work our ways out with new recipes and new ideas for all of you. So our onions are lightly sauteing here, they're getting translucent. Simple cooking is comfort food. Let's move on. We'll add the green capsicums. We'll add the carrots. And look at the cuts of the vegetables. We cut the vegetables today in a very small cut, similar to the vermicelli. White cabbage. And now we slightly raise the flame and we give it a quick stir. It'll take about 30 seconds. So we normally make noodles, we make pastas, we make lasagnas, we make raviolis. So why not try this version of vermicelli into your kitchen by using simple ingredients? So the idea is not to overcook the vegetables, also maintain some crunch in it. So Chinese version of vermicelli, sevaya. This could be like a mini meal, it could be an evening snack. Moving on with my seasonings. A bit of black pepper powder and salt to taste. If people like to make it spicy, they are free to add some green chilies, red chilies, the Thai bird's eye chilies, chili flakes. If you like to make it non-veg, of course, you can use eggs. You can also add some scrambled egg into this. So now we have the vermicelli inside. See how colorful this looks. A healthy recipe with very little oil. You can't see any oil traces on the side in the pan. Health is happiness. The next step. We're going to add some water in this. We will also use wet stock. And the amount of water is going to be double the amount of the vermicelli that we already added inside. We give it a light stir, and the vermicelli is going to be cooking in this liquid with the vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes on a low flame. So while this gets going, I reduce the flame and I cover it on top, and I'll see you back in a bit. So it's been like 10 minutes on the clock, and let's look at our vermicelli. It's almost ready. There you go. So nice steam coming out. The water has been absorbed by the vermicelli, as you can see. The flame is on the lower side. And moving on, a few drops of chili sauce, as spicy as you like it. I'm using red chili sauce right now. I'm also using a light soya sauce. A few drops of light soya sauce, about 1 teaspoon. And a few drops of white vinegar to add a bit of tanginess into our vermicelli, the Chinese version. A few spring onion greens. A squeeze of lime. And a light mix. Looks yummy. Smells wonderful. A nice healthy bowl of nutrition. A complete meal by itself. So there we go, we're all set with our Chinese version of vermicelli with vegetables. And here I have my serving bowl. You can also make it non-veg if you like. You can add like boneless shredded chicken, you can add some fish, you can add prawns, if you have some luncheon meat. And there you go. A nice generous portion, of course. This will be enough for 2 people. So I keep it here. And a bit of garnishing. I'm going to use some roasted salted peanuts for that crunch. A few more spring onion greens to finish my dish. And I like it nice and lemony. A few drops of lemon juice. And there you go. We have our Chinese version of vermicelli with vegetables ready for you. Enjoy this recipe.